The Spanish phrase for today's video is, I am not a Krusty Krab. No soy un crustáceo cascarudo. Now, this technically means shelled crustacean, but because it's the name of a restaurant and a show, I have to go with what the original creator translated it to, which was crustáceo cascarudo. This is a 5-word phrase. No soy un crustáceo cascarudo, meaning I am not a crusty crab. Again, the phrase is, no soy un crustáceo cascarudo. I am not a crusty crab. If you learned anything today, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.